Can I become a VA without buying a VA course? I have heard this question more than 100 times since I started coaching, or even since I became a VA. But the answer is, yes, you can actually become a VA without buying a course. And no, you cannot become a VA without buying a course. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how you can become a VA even if you don't want to buy a course. The first thing I tell people is what I call the 3R. The first one is the right skills. Do you have like any transferable skill? Maybe you have a formal education, an informal education, or any experience that you can be able to offer for money. If yes, then of course, these skills can be transferred into being a virtual assistant. The second R is the right mindset. Are you resilient? Are you determined? Are you confident in yourself? If you have all of this, of course, yes, you can become a VA. And the third one is, do you have the right attitude? Because of course, you would apply for a job. You might get rejected. You might get overwhelmed. But I'm telling you, as somebody who has spent over 5 years in this industry, yes, you can pull through. So let's assume that you have these 3 mindsets. How then can you become a VA? The first way is to make a list of your skills that you know you can offer. Are you good with time management? Are you good with social media management? Are you good with communication? Make a list of all of these skills. Now, when you're done making a list of all of the skills, the next thing you need to do is to create a service. Clients will not buy from you if they don't know what you're selling. You need to present your skills in a way that clients will be able to trust you and buy from you. So create a service. This service could include all of the things that you can offer as a package to a potential client. Next, market research. You need to know in-demand skills that can make you money. What are clients looking for currently? Make a list of them and see if those skills you have listed meet any of that. Now, once you're done with that, begin to network. Networking is a huge part of this industry, right? Even if you're going to apply for jobs, make a list of how many jobs you want to apply for every day or every week or even every month. Remember that when we're talking about job application is a game of number. So how many jobs do you want to apply for every day? You need to begin to network on social media. Build that connection. Let me tell you the secret. The best form of clients that you can have are retainer clients, and these are people you have worked with over time. Do not forget that in this aspect of networking, building relationships is very important. And when you're done with all of these steps, do not forget to build your portfolio. So many persons miss out on this important thing. When people want to become VAs, they start looking for high-paying jobs. It is totally fine to earn what you deserve, but start small. You can volunteer your skills for like 3 months. I see some persons coming with, I want to help you do your service for a week or 2 weeks. What can you genuinely do for a business owner in a week or 2? But when you offer your service for like 3 months for free, those people become dependent on you. And when you want to leave, it is easy to convert it to high paying. I guess you didn't know this, right? Your goal while you're entering is to ensure that your client feels dependent on you, like they need you to be present. Do not forget to stay consistent. If there is a virtual assistant you admire, the only thing distinguishing you from them is that they have stayed consistent to their crafts. In between, our last class for the year, the 45 days virtual assistant training, starts next week, November 18. Go and secure your spot and get yourself not just a coach, but a training that can literally change the trajectory of your virtual assistant career path. Let me know in the comment section if you want more videos like this, and I'll be putting it out weekly.